Hello, good evening. My name is Alexander Jacobi. I'm one of the co-founders of the Endorphin Dealer Institute, what we like to call EDI. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. I'm going to run through the ideal serve for our new variant, or our first variant of the drink, Spirited Euphoria. This is a variant that includes a number of special ingredients, including CBD, and it's a drink that I love to have in the evening. You're sitting with me right now on a Sunday night. It's 9 p.m. and I need something to really wind down after a busy weekend, or during the week if you've had a very busy work day. This is a drink that really will make you feel good, will make you feel very relaxed, and you will drink it. It's 2 calories per serve with soda and some orange peel mixed in. It's healthy, and the next day you will not feel a hangover. When you do have this drink, you will feel a functional effect. And this takes me back to 2 years ago, when I was sat beside a swimming pool in Santiago in Chile with my business partner, Jean-Eric Verne. We were at a Formula E race, which is an electric form of Formula One. We were talking about new business ideas, and we were saying, we go to all of these races, we go to a lot of parties, we go to a lot of meetings, we're flying everywhere around the world, and we're always drinking alcohol, and we're always feeling terrible. We're always having hangovers. We're never feeling right. It's very hard to concentrate when you've got meetings all day, then you've got dinners, then you've got parties, then the next day you've got to get up and do the same thing every single day. And we wanted to find a viable alternative to alcohol. Now, there are other drinks out there, as you know, which are non-alcs. There's seed lips, there's other non-alc drinks. But this is a drink that has never, ever been done before, because it has a proven functional effect. It has CBD, nootropics, adaptogens, hemp. It's hemp-based with a number of terpenes, and it is the most fantastically crafted blended drink by Anthony Wilson, who is our master blender. So I'm going to show you my ideal serve. This is something that I like to do every single night. It really helps me relax. It really makes me feel good. I like to train during the week. I like to try and keep as healthy as possible. And I don't feel that drinking alcohol is healthy every single night. I'm an alcohol drinker like a lot of people, but during the week, and sometimes I just do not feel like drinking alcohol, and I want to wake up the next day and feel completely fresh for my meetings ahead. So let me show you the first variant of the Endorphin Dealer Institute, which is Spirited Euphoria. Here is a nice Spirited Euphoria bottle. I'm actually going to show you the first Spirited Euphoria bottle that was ever produced, which sits here very proudly on my bar cabinet here at home. But what I have here is a normal glass filled with ice. I'm going to pour some Spirited Euphoria in the glass. I like to normally fill the glass about a third full with Spirited Euphoria. That's it's quite a lot, but it is a Sunday night, so I'm being a bit aggressive tonight. Normally about a third full, and then I will usually have either a Fever Tree blood orange soda, which I'm going to try now. This is one of my ideal serves, which I really enjoy, just the Fever Tree blood orange soda mixed with the Spirited Euphoria. Anyway, cheers. So going back to what I was saying before, the original idea came out of finding that viable alternative to alcohol whilst going to a party or going on a night out or going to a dinner. And if I didn't want to drink alcohol, I would sit there and I'd have a glass of water, I'd have a Diet Coke, I'd have an orange juice, and I'd never feel fully comfortable when everyone else is drinking alcohol. But now I can sit and have this, which is a completely viable alternative to alcohol. It's almost crafted like an alcoholic spirit. It actually is crafted in a very, very similar way. It's distilled. It's got all these ingredients distilled together, and it's so brilliantly molecularly blended. And I enjoy it so much because it's like drinking a whiskey, or like drinking a gin in a way. So this is something that I really enjoy. I do it every single night. I would encourage you to do the same. We advise no more than 3 serves per evening. Advise not to go over that dosage, but if you do 3 glasses like this per night, then I think you will feel what we call the EDI effect. And it's something that I've been feeling for the last few months, because I've been sampling Spirited Euphoria. I'm already sampling our next variation of the drink, which is coming out soon. But this is our first and special one because it includes CBD. And CBD for me is a really incredible ingredient that we put into the drink that really accentuates or exacerbates the EDI effect. And I think we will do many more products hopefully in the future with CBD, maybe without CBD. But this is, special to me. It's our first ever variant. It's Spirited Euphoria. I've just had one of my favorite types of serves, which is the Spirited Euphoria mixed with the Fever Tree Blood Orange, which obviously I love. But something that I also love to do, which is I think a lot more fresh and a lot more authentic sometimes, is just to mix the Spirited Euphoria with normal soda, which I'm going to do now, and then add a twist of blood orange peel, or a normal orange peel. I'm going to check. I think this is a normal orange peel, but I'm just going to cut this now. And this is the healthiest way to drink Spirited Euphoria. This is actually 2 calories per serve. You have a glass of white wine, you have a glass of red wine, you're looking at anything over 150 calories per serve. So for somebody like me that wants to be healthy, particularly during the week, and wants to feel fresh the next day and feel that functional effect of the CBD that we have in the drink, of the hemp that we have in the drink, of the adaptogens and the nootropics all blended together, this is the absolute perfect and most healthy serve. So I'm going to do one more peel of the orange here, and put it very nicely, maybe another one actually, and put it very nicely into the drink. And you have here the ideal serve of Spirited Euphoria. That is a third Spirited Euphoria, 2/3 soda, can be Fever Tree, can be another soda of your choice, but I personally like Fever Tree. And then I've got 3 peels of orange, and that just gives you that tiny bit of extra flavor, which I think you will really enjoy. So anyway, cheers again. Happy Sunday, and I hope you have a good week ahead. That tastes great. And hopefully I start feeling the EDI effect, and I'll be up nice and early tomorrow to attack the week. I've basically filled my glass with 1/3 Spirited Euphoria and about 2/3 soda, but I'm going to add something to the drink, which is something that I like to do. It makes it feel a lot more authentic than just doing a Spirited Euphoria mix with a blood orange flavored Fever Tree. And this is actually the healthiest and best serve for me, and something that I've been doing since the launch of the drink and even before the drink. And that's basically adding 2 or 3 peels of orange. Normally I like to have a blood orange. This is just a normal orange, but if you cut some nice peels here, which is what I'm doing, and then you basically either squeeze those peels into the drink, it just adds a really nice amount of flavor, and just gives that twist that we're all looking for. And this, for the moment, is my favorite serve of Spirited Euphoria. It's literally just the Spirited Euphoria. It's very simple. Then the soda, and then 2 skins of blood orange or a normal orange. You can add grapefruit, you can add other fruits, but for me, this is my favorite, and this is my co-founded recommended serve. So happy Sunday. Have a good week. Attack the week. No hangovers. Enjoy your spirited euphoria, and see you soon. Thanks.